Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about a strategy which can help you to double your traffic on e-commerce store, and it will also help you to increase your sales on e-commerce. So start with how you can do that for your e-commerce store. So all you need to do is you need to go to product of your e-commerce store and do some keyword research related to your product and add those keywords naturally in your description section, and you can add those keyword in title also, but adding those keyword in title is not recommended from my side, but you can add that in title also. And you can add relevant keywords in product description naturally, and to form a sentence using those keyword you can use AI tools which can be ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any other tools like Gemini or Microsoft Copilot, and this will help you to double your e-commerce sales and traffic also. And I have used this strategy for another e-commerce client, and I was able to generate their 2x traffic using this strategy, and it also boosted their online sales. So I think it will also work for you. And if you have any issues related to SEO and you want to implement this strategy for e-commerce store, then you can also contact us for more details. And we also provide SEO, Google ad and Instagram ad and other services which is related to digital marketing like local SEO and e-commerce store development. So you can contact us. Our contact number is given in banner, video description and comment box also. Thank you.